New day in the shop. We are gonna tackle front and rear ends for Jace's Dodge Dakota. So he's not here today, he went to a basketball camp, but we need this thing out of our way, so we're gonna finish it while he's gone. So we've worked on it a little here and there. Jace got this all welded up. Now it's time to put the guts in it, knuckles on it, build some stuff so we can get it out of our shop. So here we go. That's a high pinion now.
It'll work, right?
Yep.
Okay, we're gonna strip this down, take shocks off, we're gonna take this bracing off and pull this section out. Paul used this lightly on his other Dakota, church only, and we'll see if the gears are okay, and we'll put it back together, or fix it. So, that's what we're gonna do.
That's a good looking hammer right there. Don't get on his bad side.
Sorry about that. Give me a bigger one there.
Yeah, that's how you tell when they've been used.
Is that good
slightly.
or bad?
I see nothing wrong with that.
Slightly.
Next.
Hey Lamb, come get this cover off. It's this one, but wide.
Is that metal?
Yeah. Something's not happy
You got
inside of
three?
here.
Broke one off?
They're squares.
No, they're like little square pieces that fell out.
That's the little locker teeth that blew up.
Yeah.
Yep, that's what those are.
They're welded, it's welded together on one side in there. Oh yeah. Yeah, I broke it, so I tore it apart and welded it together in Moab, and it's been that way.
Oh, stay in there. Aha.
Tells you how many miles a rock crawler really goes.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's still got paint on it. It's a good pattern though. Somebody must have known what they were doing. No,
You get lucky once.
yeah, that's no doubt. That is no doubt.
Opinion looks good.
Yeah, a little dirt. We're gonna.
Clear
Oh, it's
full
clear
of
full
sand.
of sand.
I mean,
Oh yeah.
look at all that stuff. This was never off-roaded.
Without a cylinder.
Yeah. We will get a bigger bar. One down, two down. I think I'll lift the door up and I'll set this on the tractor and steam clean it out.
End to end.
Yeah, I'll just blow right through the tubes and clean them all out. So we're going out into the sweltering heat, do a little steam cleaning. All right, we got all the big stuff off. Now we'll go in and carb cleaner the inside, get the bearings all cleaned up and reassemble. Latch hold of that, we'll put her back in there. I'll finish the cleanup process. All right.
Nice. Nice.
You see nothing
That
here.
wasn't even that hard of a hit.
I tapped it. She should come out now.
Lift it straight up.
Yep. Cool.
Hardly anything in there anyway.
Hey, I don't think that's supposed to be in there.
Thought there'd be
Yeah, leave. I hope this works because I've had it for like 2 years. All right, so we are putting an ARB in this thing. mostly because I've got the parts. We're gonna try to install this properly this time and not ruin stuff like we did last time. Leaking, this was completely my fault. I didn't put a shim in between these two, and we drove it and we got it hot, and this kind of locked onto the bearing. It rotated it, caused all our problems. We may even read the instructions. All right. I'm just kind of getting it everywhere. But you don't have to worry if I got any on it or not.
You got plenty in there?
Click, click. She's torqued. We're good to go. Start putting this thing together.
You send it. Okay.
And apparently, we have to put a shim there too in this one.
Of course we do. Why wouldn't we? Okay, this is gonna go into these. We'll stick these in this kit.
I mean, that thing just looks like it. It doesn't hit that bearing.
Yeah, it fits right there.
Please don't say.
We're gonna drill a hole out for the airline. This right here. So, here we go. There's one. So we'll step it up. Do the next one. All right, now we got tap.
One in.
So what exactly are you doing?
Putting ball joints in right now. We're getting everything. We don't have all the parts we currently need, so we're getting as much done as we can get until some sills show up tomorrow. Then we can button the front end together. Sean's working on the rear end. Ben's putting an air locker line in. I'm just doing ball joints.
Just cleaning. Scraping. I got the, there you go. Landon helped me get the races out. As soon as I scrape all the right stuff off of this, then we'll go pressure wash it, put new races in, and we'll have the rear end together. Pretty quick, I hope.
We're just drilling a hole for this air locker line. So we're gonna get that drilled in and then
You already drill it?
get it done. Well, I thought that's what you wanted me to tell you.
Well, didn't you already drill it? Like,
Yeah,
don't
we're
you have
finding
to
the pieces
thread it?
now. Yeah, we gotta thread it. But it's not the same thread.
Don't do that. Oh, you had me. I thought it was coming. Thing's pretty powerful, huh?
Nasty. Nobody else volunteered though.
Yeah, you got it all over you. Doing a fine job.
Parts forever, because I was gonna put this in my Tacoma, and then I've decided we're going big or going home on the Tacoma, so Jace gets it. All right, one knuckle down. Now I just repeat and do the other side, and then we're one step closer. So if you watch YouTube, they tell you that you can put this in the knuckle and rotate it and get it all in there. BS. It's a waste of your time and energy. Just put them together and put the ball joints in, and when you need new ones, just cut the ball joints off and put new ball joints in it. And
It needs ball joints anyways.
exactly. Yep, not worth your time. All right, we got one built. We'll put the other one together. Hey, it's the right axles.
Yep.
That was a long time ago, but at least I did something right back then. If we had these two little tiny sills that cost like $7 a piece, we could build this, but we're waiting. We'll build a rear end instead.
Yep.
Ugh. It's heavy, Hunter. Freaking heavy, all right? And when stuff's heavy, you can grunt, and it's perfectly legal.
Never
Never
mind.
mind, I got it. Give her a little slippy slipper in there. See if they fit.
Oh yeah.
That'll do it. We tighten it down with this collar. It pulls it in another 1/2 inch.
Yep.
And
Rear end's built.
cool, let's glue it.
Okay.
Pull your axle out there.
Gentle. Yeah.
Violent, man.
Violent. Oh, prior device. Try that. It's this one right here that's holding me up.
Well,
Dude, you about
I about
whacked it.
got you.
Just pry down on it. There you go. Both sides.
You about like it. I was struggling.
All right.
Jason.
There's another 4 9-inch housing down there. Isn't there just a housing with nothing in it? I'm trying to remember. It's
Why?
somewhere.
Twist
Oh,
the
for
stud
another
out.
We'll just push a stud out. You don't twist out. You just pop out.
Yeah, this put
They're just a lug stud.
Can we just go over there and one foot?
Okay, get fine too.
Go ahead. Go find me one of those over there. I'll take it.
Right.
Ben's interfering with our videoing, but I got the 9-inch. I got the 3rd member glued in it. We'll bolt it down and then stuff some axles in.
2x4 wall.
Looks like a rear end. Well, I guess we bolt that thing together, get it in, we'll move stuff and bring the Dakota in here. Gut the rear end out and get that setting in it. See what 35s look like on the back of that thing. Sounds good.
Is that the way he wants it to sound?
No, there's no exhaust.
That is so loud.
We've got some stuff to do here still.
We may or may not have cut it off.
What are we
So
doing?
what we're doing today is, we gotta get into a better position. So what we're doing today is we're gonna work on this Dakota right here and put the, that thing in it.
What is that?
The back end or front end or something like that. It's got, I can't think of what that's called, that you like take off and all the oil stuff comes out. It's a rear end.
Yeah, whatever. I didn't say nothing.
Yeah, but what is the thing called that you take off?
Pumpkin, the differential.
The diff. That's the word I was trying to think of. And that's what they're gonna do today, right, guys?
And she's
They're-
down
they're
here
put-
to make sure that we do it right.
That was the old.
Yeah.
We put this back in. What?
Don't worry about it. It's not staying anyways.
Oh yeah, okay. I'm like, there's no one here. I see
Don't
nothing.
worry about
I don't know anything.
It doesn't even.
What are you hoping to see, Landon?
The front rear end falling out and the whole front of the truck
What
just
the
nosedive.
heck?
Nosedive off the hoist.
No, that's not what we're supposed to see.
Oh boy,
It's gonna snap.
that one's gonna break.
Cool. Stand back just a little bit so when it bounces it doesn't get me.
Nice.
Do you need the bigger brake bar? Nope,
Yeah!
you got it.
You got one.
Okay, let's set her down.
So really the rest of them will come off. We just gotta do this brake line. Okay, I guess we can go down now and do the last couple bolts. Out the rear end goes.
Call them.
Let's do it.
Okay, we've got 2 U-bolt nuts, and that should be all that's holding it in.
Hey, that thing was on there.
Holy smoke!
Warranty.
Okay. There's that. Yeah, should be good, man.
To the moon. See ya. One more.
Almost died.
Yeah!
Feels way better than that door.
That door did not want to move.
Oh, freak, mine.
That That one's locked in. That one's locked in. Okay, something like that, I think. There we go. Cool, we'll bolt that thing up and then put the shackles on the back of it and we'll have a rear end in it. So before we had a shackle that was up, so it's like that. Now we have one that hangs down, so it's gonna give us a 4.5 inch lift kit.
And they're better for off-road.
Oh yeah. It'll ride good, be tough.
And you redone the axles.
Yeah, we built the axle. They already
You've
us
seen
do
the
that.
axle.
Oh,
It's called the reverse squat.
it's the Glendale. How the other one's the Carolina squat. This is the Glendale squat.
Dang
We're going
right.
backwards. Get a little penetrating oil on those, and I'll burn them down tight.
Just got to weld the perch on, and then you're.
It's welded.
Oh,
I
okay.
just got to put this back stuff. I'll get it bolted on. We'll tack it in place, and then we'll roll it out of here.
We're gonna need another one?
Yeah, it's right there on the. I brought it. It's right there. We'll clamp that front.
Hey, Hunter.
We're about ready. We got a whole new cameraman today. Mountain Dew Thief is running camera for us.
Dang right.
So I gotta go up just a little bit.
Yep.
Is that flush with the bottom like that other one is?
That one's up a little more. Go a little more. Yeah, right there.
He doesn't understand, but I am in the process of getting him a new fridge because that little guy over there,
Won't hold enough?
dude, it's warm. I mean, it's not cold.
We need ice cold.
Dude, we need ice cold. So new break room is gonna have brand new fridge, ice maker.
The question is, are you buying it yourself?
So that's the best part about what I've been doing for you. I go to the store and I say, hey, this is for Fab Rats. Oh, it works so nice. And then I come back and I steal a Mountain Dew.
Perfect.
It
You
works.
got it worked out. Yeah, it's good.
You know what you're doing.
Exactly.
You know exactly what you're
Exactly.
All right, if I lift this up, it should come off of there.
Guess
Hey, she's hanging.
what? You did it.
I mean, it's not permanent. We want to set it on the ground and make sure everything's how it needs to be. But yeah,
Those things are pretty sweet.
they are pretty cool. I'm about done for this day. We are about to the point. We're gonna throw these old dirty lives with some all-country Cursor Ironmans because it's a kid's truck and we're on a budget. Oh yeah, look at that. We got disc brakes going on. We got to build a bracket to mount the back of it, but she'll have disc brakes on it. Things looking good, so we'll throw a tire on. Check that out. Doesn't stick out very far, really. Gonna be pretty dang good. We got a pile of work left to do to this thing. We got some stuff in the works for a transfer case for this thing that is that's cool. If you guys have ever heard of Behemoth, go check them out. We've got a transfer case in the works for this, so we've got a little left to do and the rear end will be good. We can back it out of the shop and this project will be done. But for today, I think me and Ben are done. So we've got front end done. Well, front end's done as we could. Rear end's put together. It's in the truck. It's a pretty good day. So thanks for watching.